Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you an update on the construction of the Nexus. This is a plaza on Lady Musgrave Road. It's actually a mixed-use development. The ground floor is going to be a plaza with retail stores, and then the upper three floors will be retail and offices. And it's at a prime location on Lady Musgrave Road. Now, most of the developments here are residential, sorry, not residential, retail or commercial. You have a few residential developments in the area as well, apartments, etc. So we're going to give you an update on what's happening here. Now, this development should finish in early 2026. And it's being done by Ripton Construction. And this company is one of the largest contractors in Jamaica. They're actually doing 5 mega projects in Kingston, all at the same time. But we'll talk about those other projects in another video. Rising along the busy stretch of Lady Musgrave Road, Nexus Plaza represents another important step in Kingston's ongoing urban and commercial transformation. The project is more than just a new building. It reflects how Jamaica's capital is adapting to modern business needs while reshaping one of its most strategic corridors. Lady Musgrave Road has long been recognized as a key link between New Kingston, Ligonier, and the surrounding Upper St. Andrew communities. In recent years, it has evolved into a preferred location for offices, professional services, and high-end commercial activity. The construction of Nexus Plaza fits squarely into this trend, taking advantage of the area's accessibility, visibility, and proximity to major institutions such as banks, universities, hospitals, and embassies. From a construction standpoint, Nexus Plaza showcases a contemporary design approach. The structure is built using reinforced concrete, allowing for durability, vertical expansion, and flexible interior layouts. Large glass sections and clean architectural lines give the building a modern corporate appearance while maximizing natural light. These design choices not only improve aesthetics but also reduce energy demand, a growing priority in Jamaica's commercial construction sector. The development follows a mixed-use commercial model. The ground level is designed to accommodate retail and service-oriented businesses, creating street-level activity and convenience. Upper floors are reserved for office spaces suitable for corporate tenants, professional firms, and growing enterprises seeking a prestigious address. On-site parking and modern building systems further enhance the functionality of the complex, addressing long-standing challenges faced by older commercial buildings in Kingston. Alright guys, that's the end of the update. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below.